once again, we're going to have a beautiful, fun, packed day. Every year, you get to experience something that other schools dream of.
I was one of the first people to take computer science in college because, it was 100 years ago. It looked completely different. You're going to define what it looks like today.
This is our first Innovation Day, and we are kicking off our Innovation Day with our friends from Best Buy.
I'm the local Best Buy Business Development Manager here in New York City, New Jersey. So AI, the biggest breakthrough with artificial intelligence is now we can speak to computers the same way you and I speak to each other in natural language form.
Best Buy always has the coolest products for you all to try and get your hands on.
My name is Ritesh Verma, and I'm an entrepreneur, software engineer, and content creator. Starting my very first business when I was 18, all I used to do was get clips from my favorite anime episodes and repost them on YouTube. So by the time I was a senior in high school, I had made my first $10,000 online. Attention is currency.
Thank you so much, Ritesh. We appreciate you so much.
Innovation Day is really helpful for us to learn about these cool things that we typically won't learn from classes.